It's DJ Z-Mills.
Yes, sir. Kicks and kits. You know what I'm talking about? About to paint up this brand new Punisher body. I'm going to turn this Kraton into a race spec. So let's go and get it started. Let's see what we got going on. Yes, sir. Fresh Kraton, fresh body, fresh paint. You know what I'm saying? Biscuits, gravy. I ain't too lazy. Did you miss me? Anyway, y'all. I had to bring out the Kraton, big boy toy. Fresh tactic remote, couple of other improvements I made to it. Running 2 3S joints. Let's get it popping. Notice the cold grapes on the front, man. You see it's sponsored by who? Sponsored by Cold Grapes. You know what I'm saying? Gotta rep that. Arrma Kraton 6S. Get at your boy. Keep jamming. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. I got that black bitch on my side.
I like to stay silent sometimes and let you hear what's going on. As you know, I like to do the big race. Do a little outro spot to do the big race in. Around some obstacles, come back around. You know what I'm saying? If you can't control your car, what are you really doing? You know, a lot of people can go fast. Oh, that's my one.
I got this black bitch on my side. Cock back and it's ready until I let him fly.
Hey, you didn't see it though. This chick was bopping. This chick was bopping out in Texas. You know, she was bopping. You see her turn around. I don't know if you camera caught it, but she was bopping. Got your bitch. These are jokes. Stop being so sensitive. Like, share, subscribe. Kick some shit. All right, y'all, long distance speed run. You be careful over these rocks, because y'all know how the back of the Kraton is. It's totally open. I'm going to go and get those dust and debris flaps, rock flaps, shit. Let's do a speed run across the terrain. Oh my God. Y'all, if you're on the fence about a Kraton, get it. Get it. If you can. I was about to get that Keiju. But damn, if you want something that you can just go on any terrain, it's crazy.
Take me the sign when I hop when you're dying. You can breathe with them, baby, until them problems go down. I'm liable to hit my round when I buck in this bitch. If I'm spraying, just lay it down. I put my trust in these clips. Tips rocking the ship so hard I'm thinking they sinking. By the way, I'm taking aim, shouting, think that I'm ranking. I ain't plotting on the pink when I'm scheming on bodies thinking. Anybody's left leaking, it's cause my shotty was speaking.
On the belt.
Yeah.
The belt. the beltway. On the beltway. Cruising down the beltway.
Peace out. But anyway, great hobby to have. As you see, man, pass it on. You know what I'm saying? Take one, teach one. Know one, however the saying go. Do it. Shit. Pass it on, kings and queens out there. Kicks and kicks. I like your boy.